Ever contemplated the power of the foods you consume and their impact on your health? Imagine harnessing the vitality of fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds in their purest form, uncooked and unprocessed. This is the essence of a raw food diet, a journey of wellness and vitality that beckons. Often the pursuit of health leads down winding paths of fleeting diet trends and strenuous exercise regimes. Yet amidst this maze of health advice, a lifestyle grounded in simplicity emerges, a diet rich in raw foods. These uncooked treasures, particularly when organic, are brimming with nutrients, offering solutions to health issues like obesity and heart disease, and paving the way for an energetic, disease-free existence. This journey into raw foods unravels in the following chapters. Dive into the reasons for eating raw foods, the steps to transition into a raw food diet, a closer look at the raw foods themselves, and a collection of appetizing recipes to kickstart this culinary adventure. Consider this an invitation to explore a lifestyle that may be unfamiliar but promises a wealth of health benefits. Knowledge, as they say, is power. And in this case, the more you know about the raw food diet, the better equipped you'll be to embrace this lifestyle change. Firstly, why eat raw food? The answer lies in the heart of nature itself. Raw foods, in their untouched state, are packed with enzymes, vitamins, and minerals, many of which are lost during the cooking process. By consuming food in its raw form, these nutrients remain intact, ready to nourish your body and boost your health. Transitioning to a raw food diet might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. It's about taking small, manageable steps. Start by slowly introducing more raw foods into your diet. Gradually, replace cooked meals with raw alternatives and experiment with different fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to discover your preferences. The world of raw food is vast and varied. From crisp apples to creamy avocados, crunchy almonds to delicate sprouts, the options are endless. Each food, with its unique texture and flavor, contributes to a balanced and nourishing diet. Finally, the journey to a raw food diet would be incomplete without a collection of simple yet delicious recipes. From hearty salads to decadent raw desserts, these culinary creations will make the transition to a raw food diet not just manageable, but enjoyable. Embarking on a raw food diet is a step towards a healthier lifestyle. It's about embracing the purest form of nature's bounty and allowing it to nourish your body. So why not take that first step? The journey to a healthier you starts here.